Welcome to this instructional guide on setting a fixed width for an image in WordPress. In the following narrative, you will learn how to complete this process quickly and with confidence. We begin by ensuring you are on the WordPress platform. Open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. There you will find the login option. Select the login option to proceed and gain access to your WordPress dashboard. After you have clicked the login button, you will notice a variety of login options available. One of these options is labeled Continue with Google. Clicking this option allows you to use your Google account to sign in, streamlining the process. When you select Continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose one of your accounts. Choose the account that is linked to your WordPress site to quickly sign in and continue to your site editor. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Look for the quick links section that is designed to help you access commonly used features. Within these quick links, locate the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you directly to your website editor, where you can make visual changes to your site's layout and content. Now that you are inside the site editor, it is time to locate the image that you wish to adjust. Find your image block on the page layout and click on it. This action selects the image and brings up additional editing options specifically for that block. Once the image block is selected, direct your attention to the available customization features. Among them, click on the Style tab. This tab provides various options that allow you to control the appearance and layout of the image. With the Style tab active, search for the section that deals with width settings. This area is clearly marked to guide you in adjusting how your image is displayed in terms of width. When you find the width section, you will see several options to modify the image dimensions. Focus on the option that lets you choose a fixed width for your image. Select Fixed to ensure that the image maintains the specified dimensions, regardless of the screen size or device where it is viewed. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you have now set a fixed width for your image on WordPress. This process not only gives you more control over the visual presentation of your website, but also helps maintain a consistent layout for your visitors. Enjoy the benefits of a clean, well-structured design as you continue to explore more customization options within WordPress.